Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So it would be 12 days, consistent days working on this. Generally about 11 hours each day. Yeah. Walls can be barriers, walls could be protecting. Everyone could have a personal feeling about what a wall is, be it personal, be it culturally, be it in terms of your community. Yes, on one level it's superficial, but clothing, we do imbue them with meaning. They kind of help to define who we either are or want to be seen in the world, so they do have resonance. Car cover is about like a thing that has value, a thing that's precious, a thing of privilege. And I'm putting that up against, these shoes that were worn by people who there's more value and more to that, but what does it mean to put these things together? Like, what's the value of a life with the other objects that we protect? But maybe that car cover is also, in a weird way, a protector of those bodies and those souls. So I was thinking about our culture that's both impoverished and excess. There's some items of clothing here that are tattered where you start to think, why did someone think someone else would want this? But then other things that are brand new, so you think about just kind of the excess of our culture, that there's some things here that had the original tags still on them, It has different entry points, be them personal, political, but I'm hoping it kind of reflect the complexity of our human existence. Maybe particularly American culture, we could start with that, and then the complexity of just being human.